ejina nsem kro no emu na US man panyina be de Kamala Harris so no korea no se ejina simpie so de nsem sujwa na watch se wode niam ahodo ogu akwan mu na ni nyina ye se be ya emma ye die hu nsem betumi ejina brand nti no bibre mu aman ha sei no wo hwe niam odi gu akomu keka bomu a na se ho ka no be ye kwasikwa dollar no 1 billion ye beboa ama ye die hu nsem makoye ewe bibre mamaye
US mampanyina be de Kamala Harris ede na probo a wode ba oman Ghana mu no abawiye ne bro be pie oman Ghana mu no wo kire mu se ade ba kwa na ni ko hu opese wo bo amane tumpon ewa bibimemu eye emankanko ene ma yedie ewo amamu emu woni ma bi ekodi hyiemu ene wodi tu dwase US aban eye sika America dollar opepepe ba ko 1 billion esi hono mu a wode bua amama atse sikasem ase no watimi ede wondwumadi aboa ama ebibiman etimi afa no ntumapa efra ne senti wobehwe sese sika no oman Ghana nso benya mu chefa yedi ebedi djuma ewo mayimu enchemu a wodi to onum enim eniye.
Digital services are essential to 21st century economies, and digital inclusion drives growth for all people. Yet there is a gender divide in the world. So today, to help address this, I am pleased to announce here with these leaders that the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, together with our administration, will establish the Women in the Digital Economy Fund, which is a $60 million global fund, which among other things will address access, affordability, digital literacy, and gender inequality. Beyond this commitment, I am also pleased to announce a series of other significant private sector commitments alongside U.S. government efforts. In total, these investments represent more than $1 billion that is being dedicated to advance women's economic participation across the African continent.